Welcome to a new mygroundforce video guide. This video is a tutorial for the updates to the payroll report. First, in the Employees Registry, we've had an update to the payroll settings for employees. Now, it's possible to pay a driver using more than one payment method. They can be paid by the hour and certainly at the same time. Just select the necessary payment types in the checkboxes, fill in the fields below, and that's it. Your driver will receive the configured amount on Wednesday. We've also added an additional payment method, the guaranteed minimum. When you add the guaranteed minimum, even if your driver earns less than that amount from the week's calculation, they will receive that guaranteed amount, ensuring a minimum weekly income for your driver. By checking the box "Receive Guaranteed Minimum Payment for Weeks Not Worked," this driver will receive the guaranteed minimum, even for weeks when they didn't show up on set and didn't complete any trips. Now, the changes to the payroll report. Now, the updates to the payroll report. We now have a new button, Rerun Driver. It will work to recalculate a driver whose calculation has already been done and is already in the payroll. Previously, the payroll would have to be deleted and regenerated for this driver to be recalculated. Now, just select the driver, click the Rerun Driver button, and the driver will be recalculated with the most recent payment information registered. We also have a new column called Deceptions, where all the deceptions related to this driver will be displayed. This is for informational purposes only. In the Pending tab, we will continue to have the Rerun button, but under a new name now, Solve Pending Items. This button will work to recalculate and search for new payment and registration information for all drivers and non-drivers that are in the Pending Payroll tab. We now have a new payment method called Extra Payments. Here, you can select an extra mileage payment per worker days. This way, you can set up a payment per extra mile when your driver worked 6 or 7 days in a week for FedEx. Our system checks if the driver worked between 6 and 7 days, and here you can choose whether to apply this payment for only 6 days or 7 days. Thus, on the 6th and 7th days worked, they will receive an additional amount per mile, which will be registered here. You can configure this payment for a specific driver or for an entire category, such as drivers. So this is it for this mygroundforce video guide. If you have further questions, please contact us at support@mygroundforce.com. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using mygroundforce.